Well, welcome to Pastime RC. This is going to be our first unboxing of a brand new vehicle for us. It is the Red Cat Wendigo. I'm going to have my son open it up for us. As you can see, he's a pro at opening boxes. As he probably has cut through the Wendigo box.
I have not.
If I even told you already, we are not professionals. We are very novice people here.
Noobs. There.
I think I need to hire new help.
No.
Storing the product.
That's a missing box.
Alright, let's take a look at this box here. Now this is the kit version of the Wendigo. There's been lots of reviews on it, but you are going to get a novice review on this truck.
Oh.
Alright, this is what's in the box. Alright, we have our tires.
That's cool.
We would have had 3 or 4 if my son didn't take the tire out. Looks like it's got foam in here. Probably not the best of rubbers, but good for starting off. We have our unpainted body.
Here's the rims.
Alright, and the plastic rims. We will probably go to V-locks here. And bag of parts. P1. Springs. Accessories, and with the RTR as well. So, looking forward to this build. Well, say bye.
Bye.
And we'll do a video when we have this thing built. Have a good day, guys.